name is Bamidele Kemisola. My parents are native of Aiyede-Ekiti. The name of my parents is Mr. and Mrs. Bamidele. My father works as a farmer, while my mother is a trader. My parents are native of Aiyede-Ekiti. I attended Everly School during my nursery, primary, and junior secondary school in the year 2010 to 2018. I later proceeded to Aiyede Grammar School, Aiyede-Ekiti, in year 2021 to date. I am in SS1, which is my current class. My aspiration, I'm aspiring to be an actress. The reason why I want to be an actress: first, to teach people moral lesson, to teach people about the wrong thing and the right thing, and to be a better person in the future. My road plan is when I'm able to pass my senior secondary school WAEC and MEF. I should obtain my JAMB and admitted into the university. The reason why I need MEF support because I want to achieve my goal. I came from poor family. To be an actress is not an easy task, and this is why I need MEF support. In conclusion, I thank God for giving me this opportunity. If I'm not able to have this opportunity, I may not achieve my goal. Thanks.